Good morning, students. Let us start today chapter of moral science, lesson number 9. Don't worry, be happy. And with this chapter, we have to study about the theme Don't worry, always be happy. So, I'm going to this chapter through these paras so that you be able to understand. What is the theme of this story? Don't worry, be happy are the opening words of a popular song. These words contain good advice. Everybody wants to be happy. We all want to be in the company of happy people, people who can smile and people who can laugh are the ones that everybody wants to be with. What is here? There is a opening words of the popular song Don't Worry, Be Happy. This is the popular words of the opening words of the popular song. What is here? These words contain good advice. These words are containing good advice. Everybody wants to be happy. This is the rule of nature. Those who are alive wants to be happy. We all want to be in the company of happy people. We always try to seek the people those who are happy and we want to take the company of them. People who can smile and people who can laugh are the ones that everybody wants to be with. May the people those who are always laughing, the people those who are always smiling, everybody wants to be in the company of with them. Whether there are children or adults or old men, everyone wants like this here. So students, I am taking para number second also. When we look around us, we see people with long faces, grumpy faces, sad faces, and angry faces. When we look around us, we found different kinds of faces. Sometimes we see people with long faces. Somebody are having a long face, somebody having a grumpy faces, somebody having a sad and angry faces. May some are very sad, some are in a anger mood. Like this way faces are appear among us. It makes us think that the world we live is a horrible place. Means these things makes us think that the world we live in, where we are living, is a horrible place. Horrible means fearful place. Everybody seems to be heavily burdened with worries. Means whenever we meet to anybody appears are their faces as having a burden with the worries. Worries means and anxieties, sorrows and anxieties. There is sadness, sorrows and anxieties. Nobody seems to be happy, and the people those who are living around us never appeared happy because they are feeling they are facing lot of problems. Next para I am taking here. It is true that everybody has a problems and worries. Students, this is the rule of nature that problems and worries and happiness comes together. They are the two parts of the coin. Means it is true that everybody has a problems and worries. It is true. Well, in the world, all the corners of the world are having the people, those who are living, they are having a problems and worries. This world certainly is not a heaven, but you have to see the earth where we are living. It is not a heaven. Heaven means Swarg. If it were one, we would not have thought of the next life. You know, if this world certainly is not a heaven. If it were one, if it were heaven, we would not have thought of the next life. So we did not, we never think about the next life. Let us accept the fact that there are worries, problems, and difficulties. Everybody, those who are living on earth, have to be accepted that this world is full of worries, problems, and difficulties. We must learn to face them. Here we have to learn to face such a problems. Let us not allow them to worry us. And we have not allowed them, allow the worries and unhappiness or difficulties to worry them. It is our duty. Our worrying about our problems will is no way reduce them. Our worrying about our problems, whatever problems we are having, they are making us worry, will in no way reduce them, and having no way to reduce them. But we can reduce the worry from our mind, the worry from our faces, because it is the duty of us to make them, to divert from the worry and difficulties and make ourselves happy. Next para you see, you will get some lines. Let us learn to be happy. There are many reasons for us to be happy. Means now we should try to be happy. How shall we do it? There are many reasons for us to be happy. Around us there are many reasons, and in this way we can remain happy always. We are God's children. We have to think we are God's children. Really we are God's children. God is all powerful, and God is having a more power, means all the powers are having. That is why it is known as the Almighty God. He is always with us. God is always with us. Why then should we worry about our problems? If the God is with us, so this is the matter of God to be worry about about our problems. Why should we worry about this? Whatever things he is doing, he is always living with us. So this is the matter of God to be worried, not the matter of us. Together with the God, we can face them. If the God is facing such a problems, difficulties, sorrow and problems, worries, so why should we not face them? We should face them also. Next line I am taking here. When we look around, we see so much suffering and misery. When we look around, we found out so much suffering and misery. Misery means sadness. Suffering also we can see. When we compare this with our own situation, and when we compare this situation with us now, so what do we get there? We find that we are indeed fortunate and better. That we are really fortunate and better in condition. We have much less to suffer. The people, those who are living around us, they are suffering more than us. So we are fortunate, we are lucky. That is why we are not suffering as our other persons are suffering. So we are lucky and fortunate person. Next line, next para you see, let us look at the blessing we have. We should see the blessings we are having given by God. We can keep on counting the good things we have. If we start counting good things, whatever we have with us, don't we then have reasons to be happy? And in this way, there would be no reason there would be no reason for the worry and disappointment, and automatically we will get here happiness. So we have to find out, we should try to find out whatever things we have already in our mind. Next para I am taking children. Worries only creates more problems for us. They make us lose our sleep, appetite, and peace of mind. Students, if we are keeping worries in our mind, these creates more problems in for us. What kind of problems comes? If we are having a worry in our mind, they make us lose our sleep. We lose our sleep. We do not sleep properly. Appetite means hunger. And peace in mind, whatever peace should be in our mind, we lose these. They create tension, causing headache and even heart attack. And they create tension also. They causing headache always comes in a mind, headache, and even heart attack also took place. Peptic ulcer are the result of worry, and ulcer also takes place. Peptic ulcer, that thus a lot of unnecessary problems are created because of worry. Due to the worry, unnecessary lot of problems are created in our body. In no way does worrying help us. Read Dale Carnegie's book on how to stop worrying and start living. You have to read one book, there is here, Carnegie's book, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. So students, I hope you have to read it now properly. Rest parts we will take here in next lecture. Till then you have to go through it, read it properly. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.